Illustrate Mason's formula to derive the transfer function of given signal flow graph. The input of that system is x1 of s, and output of that system is x6 of x. So we have to find x6 of s upon x1 of s. We have to find the Mason's gain formula. P of s equal to, that is x6 of s upon x1 of s equal to 1 by delta sigma pk delta k, where k equal to number of forward paths. Here the number of forward paths, this is one forward path from input to output. This is second forward path. This is third forward path. No other paths are there. Therefore, k equal to 3. P1 equal to 1. Gain products of forward paths. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. Delta 1 equal to part of graph which is not touching the forward path, doesn't have any loop. That's why 1. P2 equal to G1, H6, that's all. Delta 2 equal to the part of graph which does not touch, the part of graph which is not touching the forward path is this. This is the part of graph which is not touching the forward path. So how many loops are there? L1, L2, L3. This is touching, but this is not touching. Therefore, the delta for this graph we have to write. That is 1 minus H1 minus H2 minus G3 H3. Non-touching loops plus gain products of non-touching loops. These two are non-touching each other, L1 and L2. That is H1 H2 minus H1 minus H2, therefore plus H1 H2. Then this and this are not touching each other. This and this, therefore H1 G3 plus G3 H1 H3. These two are touching each other, this and this not touching each other. So that's all about delta 2. Now P3 equal to G1 H5 delta 3 equal to 1. Delta 3 equal to the part of graph which is not touching the forward path is this x3 alone, but it doesn't consist of any loop. That's why 1. Delta now we have to find. Delta equal to, for the complete graph we have to find delta. That is 1 minus L1, that is minus H1 minus H2 minus G3 H3 minus G2 H4. Any other loop? Four loops. That's all. The fifth loop is here. H3 minus plus H3 H4 H5. This is plus. Then two non-touching loops plus H1 H2 G3 G3 H1 H3, then G2 and plus G2 H4 H1, then G2 plus G2 H4 H2. Three non-touching groups. Only one is there. Therefore, again minus L4, L1, L2 are not touching each other. Therefore H1, H2 minus H4, G2. What's that? This is the three non-touching group. Two non-touching loop is one more is there, that is H5 plus H3 H4 H5 and H1. This is also not touching each other. That is L5 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 and L1 not touching. L4 and L1, L2 and L1 not touching each other. L3 and L1, L3 and L1, L4 and L2, L4 and L2 are not touching each other. And three non-touching loops. L1, three non-touching loops. L1, L2, L4. That is H1, H2, H4, G2. These are the three non-touching loops. That's all. Therefore, the transfer function is E of S equal to numerator. That is G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 plus G1, H6 multiplied by 1 plus H1 plus H2 plus G3, H3. Then H4 plus H1, H2 plus G3, H1, H3 plus G1, H5, G1, H5. This is numerator. Denominator is divided by delta. Delta equal to 1 plus H1 plus H2 plus G3, H3 plus G2, H4 minus H3, H4, H5 plus H1, H2 plus G3, H1, H3 plus G2, H1, H4 plus G2, H2, H4 plus H3, H4, H5, H1 plus H1, H2, H4, G2. So that's all about the transfer function.